Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove tags on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, product tags are an organizational tool which lets you organize your products depending on the categories they're in, and you can add tags to, well, enable your customers to search for your products and find them more easily using the search functionality on your store. Now, you can add them and remove them very easily. You can just use a couple of different buttons, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. First, I'm going to navigate over into products, and as you can see, I already have one test product, which I'm going to click on to enter the editing screen. Now, you can just create a new product, and this is the same screen you're going to be on, and you need to scroll down and go right to product organization. As you can see, I have a tags section over here, which is currently empty. However, I do have one created tag, which I'm going to add and then show you guys how to remove. Now, under tags, just write whatever you want. I have this test tag, or at least I used to have it. I'm not sure where it went from here. I was under the impression that they won't get deleted, but it looks like it did, so it really doesn't matter. I'll just add the other tag again, and as you can see, the test tag now exists in this section. Now, to remove it, it is very simple. All you have to do is just click on the X right next to it, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Now, I'll add another tag. As you can see, I'll add test2. I'll add the original test as well. And there we go. And now you can pick and choose which to remove. Again, just click the X next to the required one, click save, and then your job is pretty much done. Now we've removed the tag, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.